What's up guys, Akim Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to look at this Panini press sandwich maker. You can use to make your burgers, any form of sandwich that you can basically think of, guys. This is what we're going to look at in this video. So these are all accessories that come with it. As you can see right here, we have some of these paintbrush that you can basically use for your grilling. We got these cleaning sponge right here that we can use to clean the grill once we finish using it. We have these utensils right here, which is really great, that you can use for your grilling. You can basically use it to take up any item. Then we have these mixer right here, as you can see, that also come in a package. We have a user manual that you can go through to basically tell you a step of how to use this right here. Now what you're going to look at is this machine right here. As you can see, this is the machine right here, and this is the temperature right here. As you can see, it go up to 482 Fahrenheit, which is also 250 degrees Celsius. This is the power button right here. You can basically turn it on, turn it off. Temperature gauge, as you can see right here, we can turn it up with this gauge right here, which go up to the 482 Fahrenheit, which is really great. So we can turn up the heat right here. This basically shows when it basically turn on. This is the grilling part right here, and right here we have this panel that we can take out. That means that if any oil spill, it can basically collect it right here, which is something that I find fascinating. Like when you clean up a grill, you can basically stop all of these in here. So how this operate, we can basically press it down on our grill, so we can put any sandwich on side, give it some bit of pressing. That's how it look on top. Alright guys, so basically it's on right now, so I can go like this and I can turn it on. I can put my gauge right here in how hot I want it to be. You can see that heat light come on right there, and I can turn it to a temperature. So whenever guys, when you're cooking, ensure that you preheat it first before you start to put your ingredients and the heater right here, because this will get really hot, as you can see on the grill right here. Then you can place your things on it. Alright guys, so this is basically a general overview of this Panini press right here. So I hope you find this video very helpful. So you basically can prepare your sandwich, your burger, or any form of sandwich that you can basically use inside the kitchen for breakfast. This is one of the great choice. So I hope you find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.